Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I am going to show you how to log out from Parler. So as always, let's start off by launching the Parler application. Then click on these three dashes in the top left corner to bring up this menu. And as you can see, at the very bottom there's an option to log out. And all you have to do is just to click on it. And as you can see, there's also an option to log out all users or just to log out your account. We'll just simply log out our account, and as you can see, we have logged off from Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye and have a great day.